Yeah, yeah. What's up? What's going on? Yeah, Maniac in the building, representing lowriders. Shout out to King Jossum, Charles Dickinson, Ecstasy Sash. You know how it is. Representing. Currently, we're using this blur effect. All right. If you guys haven't seen us lately, that's because we're using this blur effect. But we keeping it fly, we keeping it fresh. We don't like to sweat, we use the lowrider style, you know how it is, fresh and so fresh and so fresh and so clean, clean, yeah. Alright, so today I'm coming your way because I want to inform you guys that you know how it is, the festival season is running, the festival season is currently out, So we got Diwali, we got Bakrid, or for Arabic, Adha. Alright, so we got Christmas followed by that. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? So we got a lot of competitions coming your way from our associations, the big brand associations currently with, alright, So all I gotta say is stay tuned to Lowriders on Lowriders TV. Stay tuned to us on lowridersallday.com, and for people who don't like to type, you can just say lrallday.com, and always Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, MySpace, Reverb Nation, whatever it is, we out there 24/7, so catch us, alright? So stay tuned for our competitions, lowridersallday.com. Peace.